What's up, traders? Stan Gluzman here with 7 Points Capital, bringing to you today's trader takeaways. Let's take a look at SPYs. So we're an all-time high already, just day 2 of 2018, and we're really trending up really nicely, breaking all the resistance levels. The name of the game is still blockchain, so whoever's adding, whoever's having blockchain news, stocks are rallying up. So I've been trading DPW last month pretty much every day, and it's been paying me really nicely. So today, um, same thing. I set up, it opened up, gapped down a little bit, went sideways below VWAP, and I went in pretty heavy in the setup. I'm really forcing myself to size into these plays while they last. So I started hitting 33s, 32s, 31s, and covered into the big wash. So risking just 2-3 cents and made I think 8 or 9 cents. So 3 to 1 or 4 to 1, I'll take it every day, any day. The biggest issue for me in these type of plays is finding liquidity. So I usually like to cover once the trend changes, but in this case, when the trend changes, as you can see, it squeezes really hard, and when you have size, you're gonna push it up really hard. So to me, is the way to get out for me right now is to actually sit on the bid, and I like to sit on BYX because I'm usually the first one out on BYX because that's a reverse exchange versus sitting on, let's say, EdgeX. On EdgeX, you're the last one out, so if the trend changes, you don't get to fill. Also, if you sit on dark pools, you may not even get to fill. It may just flash through. So I like to sit on BYX. Next trade was on HHC. This one here was actually called out by a guy on Twitter. Smashed the bid. Hat off to that guy. The setup here was that it gapped through the support, and then if it bounced back to 130.50, good short, risking above 130.50. So I actually had a random order, somewhat random order placed at 129.60 to sell, and I left it alone. And then I saw that I have a position in HHC at the high of the day, so that was a really nice head start for me. Started working the position. Uh, when it put on a lower high over here, I added, and then I covered. I believe I covered half into 120. Once it cracked 128, I covered into this wash, and then I tried to hold the other half. And then once it put on the higher low here, I covered 2750s and 2060s, 2770s. So this was another really nice, really big trade. Um, the third stock I want to talk about is GCAP. These guys, let's see, these guys put out some PR about blockchain, so buy the dip, you know, buy the dip, and hopefully you get out into a massive, massive squeeze. So I missed this whole move, and I was just waiting for a good opportunity to get in. So once it started putting on these wicks, I started shorting into the wick just to see, how it absorbs the offer. Covered into the wash here, and then I got long into this consolidation, and oh my god, this thing rips. I didn't have much size. I couldn't get much size rather, because when I bought 163, it just went. So I think I added 165 or 166, and then didn't get the whole move. Got out on the way out because I don't trust it, but nonetheless, really nice trade. XNET, quick scalp, also smashed the bid. Call this one out, double top from yesterday. Short right here into this consolidation, risking what, less than 10 cents, maybe 7 cents, cover into the big wash. So again, this stock is super liquid, super illiquid, really hard to get the fill. If you want to get a good fill, If you want to sit on the bid, I was also sitting on the bid on BYX here. Missed this wash. Didn't have orders ready. On this wash, I had orders ready, so I got out. I think actually my last order was 162, my last fill. So 163, 4, 5, and 6. This was me right here. The next stock was AMD. This one trending up really nicely. I didn't touch it all day. I was waiting for something interesting to get my attention enough to get in, and this crack did it for me. Cracked, started consolidating, lower highs, VWAP projection set up for me, so I shorted in here 72s, 71s, 70s, covered some and covered some into the big wash. So another decent trade. And that's it. That's pretty much my day. Pretty decent day today. Starting, pretty strong 2018. So hopefully we can continue every day and reaching our goals. So this was our day. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.